Okay, hello friends. Myself Dr. Sanjeet Kumar. Today we are going to start illicit liquor. It is made without license and with poor infrastructure. It's called hooch, moonshine, because it was produced in night or during moonlight. So this is called moonshine. Mountain Dew, Tennessee White Whiskey, White Lightning. It is produced illegally outside the approved and regulated production process of registered and legitimate manufacturer. It is unbranded, does not comply with the standards that ensure the quality and safety of the product. It is mostly methyl alcohol, which can cause accidental poisoning. Other unintentional adulteration which have been recorded are arsenic and lead. Arsenic is a contaminant of lead apparatus used to distill illegal alcohol. Thus, person who regularly consume illicit liquor may develop arsenic or lead poisoning. Secondly, since the alcohol is produced by grains, grain is stacked near the sills. Rodents are attacked to the area of the sills. To kill them, rat poison containing arsenic is frequently used in close proximity to the grain and stores. Careless use of arsenic result in contamination of alcohol. One dangerous adulterant is industrial methylated spirit, which occasionally causes mass poisoning of consumers who lose their lives or suffers irreversible eye damage. Illicit liquor is less expensive than licensed country-made liquor, thus finds a ready market among the poor. Various country-made liquor, mahua. This is made from flowers of mahua tree, made in central and eastern India. This is mahua, flower of mahua. Then toddy. This is made from the sap of various species of palm like date palm or coconut palm. This is toddy. Then feni. It is a spirit produced in Goa. Two most popular feni are cashew feni or coconut feni. This is cashew feni, this is coconut feni. Then arrack. This is a strong drink distilled from the fermented sugar cane, molasses, palm juice, rice or coconut. This is cheap quality country made liquor. Ban in India. India में ban है. This is arrack, coconut arrack. Then tharra. It is made from the yeast fermentation of sugar cane, wheat husk, mainly in Bihar, Jharkhand, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab and Haryana. Tharra. This is tharra. Then handiya or handi. It is rice beer, mainly in Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha and Madhya Pradesh. This is handiya. Okay. Important questions of Korsakoff psychosis. Which type of psychosis is associated with the chronic alcohol abuse? Korsakoff psychosis. Which vitamin deficiency causes Korsakoff psychosis? Vitamin B1. What is or are the feature of Wernicke's encephalopathy? Global confusion, ophthalmoplegia, ataxia, all of the above. All are true regarding the Malady-Weiss syndrome except seen in chronic alcoholic, सही है. Tears seen at gastroesophageal junction, ये भी सही है. Tears seen at submucosal layer, submucosal पर नहीं और mucosal layer पे होता. Tear formed due to the forceful vomiting. Which of the following is true regarding the micturition syncope? Occurs due to heavy beer drinking, losses consciousness during urination at midnight, due to sudden upright posture, all of the above. Then important questions of illicit liquor. What is the main composition of illicit liquor? Main composition क्या है illicit liquor का? Methyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol, ethylene glycol, propyl alcohol. What are the adulterant that causes the contamination of illicit liquor? Lead mercury, arsenic lead, copper mercury, arsenic mercury. Which one is the odd in alcohol preparation? Toddy, feni, tharra, vodka. Which one is odd? Which one is false statement regarding the illicit liquor? False statement regarding the illicit liquor. Mainly contains methanol, produced illegally, also called moonshine, more expensive. False की जगह पे होगा which one is true? Which one is true statement? Feni is produced in Goa, tharra is produced in Goa, Hadiya is produced by wheat husk, अरेक इज हाई क्वालिटी कंट्री लिकर. This is all about illicit liquor. This is a very small topic. Okay, thank you for watching.